Welcome to service at Patrick BMW. When you purchase your vehicle from us, you didn't just get a car, you got a team. And we're here to make every mile ahead simple, smooth, and stress-free.
Congratulations on the purchase of your new BMW. My name is Matt Page. I'm the service manager here at Patrick BMW. Let me introduce you to my service team.
Hi, I'm Blake, your service advisor. I'm here to schedule your appointments promptly and make sure all your questions are answered.
Hi, I'm Neri, your BMW certified technician. I'm here to get your car back on the road safely and as quick as possible.
Our certified team is here to answer your questions, guide your maintenance schedule, and ensure your experience is always first class. Your first service visit is fast and easy. Whether you schedule online, by text, or through your vehicle's app, we'll keep you updated every step of the way. Enjoy amenities like complimentary multi-point inspections, available loaner vehicles, and transparent recommendations from factory-trained technicians. We look forward to seeing you for your first service visit. Welcome to the Patrick BMW family.
We look forward to taking care of you and your vehicle.